Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from today. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a local server. And today we are going to use XAMPP. There are quite a number of options out there, but XAMPP is actually the most popular. So today I'm going to show you how to install the XAMPP server on your system so you can install WordPress on it locally. As we all know, WordPress is written in the PHP language. And PHP is not a language that is interpreted by the browser. So what happens is when you write PHP codes, you need a server to be able to interpret it before the browser can render it. And so how it works in this case is that Apache is a very popular server that interprets WordPress codes. Should I say PHP codes with which WordPress is written. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Apache server XAMPP using the XAMPP platform. So after that, we will now install WordPress on it and then we take it off from there. So after today's video, we are doing a series on WordPress web development. So if you stick around, at the end of this series, you'll be able to be very proficient in your web development efforts. So should you need anything as we go along, because we'll be dropping videos every day to this effect. If you need anything, just let us know in the comments. We'll be able to create the exact contents that will add value to you all along. Now, if today is the very first time of you stumbling upon us, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment, of course. Turn on the notifications so that anytime we upload a content or anytime we upload any new content, you'll be the very first to know. And if you have your system closed, set it up, get ready to follow along so that at the end of the day, you'll be happy with the result we'll be showing you. So if you are set, let's get started right now.
So guys, from the Google homepage, just type download XAMPP. Download XAMPP in the search bar, click enter. So it takes you to the first this thing, Apache and Friends. You'll click on the first option. This is it. So download the latest version. I think this is 8.2.4, and it starts downloading. As you can see, it's coming into the system like that. So while we're waiting, we open another tab and download WordPress. Type in download WordPress. When you click on it, it takes you here. So the first option is from wordpress.org. Click download WordPress. It takes you here. So click on download. So it's downloading the latest version as well, 6.22. That's how it's going. That is WordPress, and this one is XAMPP. So in a few seconds, the boat will be ready. I think they are. So you click on open the XAMPP. We are going to install it. This is the XAMPP setup. This thing. Click next. So from the next window, you uncheck fake send mail. I don't think I will need that one. Uncheck Webalizer. I think I will need Tomcat too, so uncheck it. I think click next. Ensure that it's installed in your C folder, C drive, that is. So click next. Click next again. And in a jiffy, everything will be set up. So in a very short while, it will be set up. So we take it up from there. Okay, that's it. It's complete. Just click finish and launch. So from here, this is the XAMPP control panel. This is where you start Apache. You just click on start. You can see Apache is started, and the next thing you are going to do is to start my SQL for my SQL. So when they are both started, you see the color changes to green, just like so. So you go back to your WordPress download, click on it, and then because it comes in a zipped folder, so you extract it. So just right click and scroll down the drop down to extract all. You are going to extract the WordPress from it. So that's it. Just extract it the normal way we extract things, zipped folders in our computer. So after the extraction, we are going to do follow a couple more steps like that. Okay, so that's it. Is extracted. You click on it and cut. So go to your local drive C. disk C, remember we install our XAMPP in there. That is the XAMPP folder right there. Click on it, look for htdocs, open that htdocs and paste in your WordPress folder right there inside htdocs, like so. So I'm going to rename it. So after pasting your WordPress, you rename it. I'm going to rename it local WordPress, something like that, so I can remember. Okay, well, let me add my to it, so it's like my local WordPress. That is that. So I think I've renamed it. So moving on now, that is the WordPress folder. So moving on now, you go to Apache. Under the MySQL, just click admin. We are going to create a database now. So it will take you to this place. These are this thing that are there. So click on new. You are going to create a new database right there. So here I'm going to type in the database name. The database name should correspond with the WordPress folder name. So you can see my local WordPress here. When you are done, click on create, like so, and within seconds it will create that database. You can see that is it right there, my local WordPress. So open another tab, and then since you already have your host running Apache, you type in my local host. The name of your WordPress in this case is my local WordPress. We are going to install it here. So click continue from here, and then click let's go. So what you do is to input the database name. Remember, the database name we created is my local WordPress, like so. So you are going to type in the exact same thing in the database name. So like that, you type my local WordPress, the exact name. Now in the username, the database username, I'm just going to leave it at root. That is the default username. Okay, so for password and every other thing, I'll leave it empty and click submit, and then click run the installation from this window. So what happens is that WordPress will be installed. That is as simple as that. So on this page, you'll be asked to supply some details. First is your site title. So you are going to type in the site title. In this case, I'm going to call this my test WordPress. That is going to be my site title, my test WordPress website. And then the username, I will just use admin. I will leave it at admin. Okay, so the password I will change. I don't like this one. I will change it to something more memorable. And then you type in your password where you're asked to do so. Although it is weak, you can see, and I will leave it so, but I advise you use a stronger password for production level WordPress development. So it's even asking me to confirm whether I should use the password. Yes, I want to use it because this is not production level. So the next thing is to supply your email like I am doing right now. So once you are done with this step, just click install. Okay, well, here you are going to leave this place unchecked because you want search engines to see your content. Just click install WordPress, and that is for that. I think that is it. It is installed. WordPress is installed. So click on login and it will take you to this page. So what you need to do is supply your username and your password. Remember the username we imputed when installing, it was admin, and then the same password that we imputed, you are going to impute it right here. When done, click on login, and it takes you straight to WordPress dashboard, like so. And if you followed all along, it will take you here. This is where the real magic will happen. This is the WordPress dashboard. So in our next video, we will explore this dashboard and understand how every single element works. For now, congratulations on achieving this important task of installing WordPress. See you in the next video. Thank you.